Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Melted Hairline Swirlista in the style Swirl 108, and I got it in the color DRFF2/Vanilla Mocha. This is a side part unit and the parting space is on the left side. Off camera, I did apply my foundation to the lace and I didn't get a chance to pluck this unit, but if you want to go for more of a natural hairline, I would suggest you to do so. First things first, I'm cutting the air tabs off on both sides of the lace. Then I'm gonna cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To install this lace, today I'm using the Kiss Colors Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Once the adhesive spray is slightly dry, kind of tacky, then you wanna take the lace and apply it directly on top of where you applied the adhesive spray. I'm taking the blow dryer on a medium to cool heat setting and blow drying that specific area until it is dry. Then you want to apply those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. I'm taking that same spray and applying just a small amount of the spray on top of the lace, and this will help the lace to last longer. Then I went in with the elastic band and blow dryer combo, and this step will help give your lace more of a melted look. I do this step for about 3 to 5 minutes with the blow dryer, then without the blow dryer and with the elastic band still on, I keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you keep the elastic band on, the better the hairline will look. Now it is time to cut the lace off, and I like to cut my lace off by sections. It really helps me to focus on the details while I'm cutting. And when I cut my lace, I like to cut in a zigzag motion because it gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting the lace straight across. Now I'm going in with spritz to lay down the hairline area, especially the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I know it looks kind of weird because I'm using the pump from the spritz bottle, but I needed a more precise application and spraying it would have been too messy for me. You can also do this step with an adhesive spray, the same spray that you use to install the lace. Either one is fine. But as you are doing this step, you want to make sure that you are going in with your blow dryer so that the glue is drying up quicker and it'll be easier to lay the lace down. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 16, and I'm using the lightest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. And I'm applying it with my finger because for some reason I feel like using my finger helps make the lace look more natural. Something about that finger to lace combo is just, it'll do it every time. Now it is time to do the baby hairs. Keep in mind, the baby hair step is definitely optional, so if you're not into baby hairs, you can skip this step. Okay, so for my baby hairs, I like to pull out just a thin layer of hair. I like my baby hairs to be more on the thinner side. I think it just gives off more of a natural look. Then I'm going in with my edge flat iron and curling the baby hairs downwards to give off that fluffy baby hair look. I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck the baby hairs just a little bit more. Like I said, I do like the thin look. To style my edges today, I'm going in with the Got To Be Flex Insta Hold Spray. I always like the way my baby hairs turn out when I use this spray as opposed to using mousse for my edges, especially for a synthetic wig. It just makes the edges look too shiny. It can be a little difficult to style the baby hairs on a synthetic wig. Sometimes baby hairs can be a bit stubborn. So as you are styling, you want to go in with a blow dryer in between the styling to set the baby hairs. I'm using a vent brush to detangle and brush out the curls on this unit. When you are brushing out a synthetic wig, you always want to start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top, just to prevent any tangles and knots. Now I'm going in with the Even Wig Knots Concealer in the color Medium Brown to enhance my parting space. Lastly, I went in with the hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down the top of this wig. So here we have the final look, and I really love this style. There's a few things that I really like about this unit. The first thing is the curl pattern. The curl pattern is beautiful. I love the volume that it has. And I also love the layers on this unit as well. Another thing that I like about this unit is the colorway. I feel like vanilla mocha always looks nice, especially on my skin complexion, but the colorway itself is just so beautiful. I love the chocolate brown with the hint of blonde combo. It just ties the entire style together. The parting space on this unit is a 5-inch deep parting space. I wish that this unit wasn't just a side part unit. I feel like it could have been so much more versatile if it was just a frontal unit. I feel like so many good styles could have came from out of this unit if it was a frontal. Nonetheless, it is still really cute as a side part. I did get a bit of shedding and maybe like a few snags here and there, of course, because it is synthetic, but nothing too excessive. All in all, this unit was super cute, and I would definitely get this unit again in a different color. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.